Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and I'm delighted to welcome you to this edition of Polymer Bazaar News. Our show is proudly sponsored by Samyak Enterprise, a renowned polymer trading company based in Ahmedabad. With over 2 decades of experience, Samyak has established itself as a trusted provider of competitive prices and exceptional service, earning the loyalty of its esteemed clientele. Today's episode is packed with exciting content. We'll bring you the latest advancements, insightful weekly analysis, and a closer look at the future trends of polyethylene, specifically focusing on HDPE, LLDPE, and LDPE. But before we delve into these intriguing topics, let's kickstart our program with the most recent updates on energy and ethylene offers. Stay tuned.
Let's explore the global bazaar and review the current offers for ethylene. In the USA, the offer for ethylene stands at 16.00 cents per pound for FD Gulf Coast. In Europe, the offer for ethylene has stabilized at 680 euros per metric ton for CIF Northwest Europe, and FD Europe's offer has also stabilized at 645 euros per metric ton. Meanwhile, in Asian bazaars, the offer for ethylene remains stable at $755 per metric ton for CFR Southeast Asia and $755 per metric ton for CFR Northeast Asia. Now, let's shift our attention to the Dalian Commodity Exchange and check the futures deals for September 2023. The opening price for LLDPE has slightly decreased to 8,045 renminbi per metric ton, compared to the previous close of 8,100 renminbi per metric ton. Moving on to the spot prices of PE variants at China bazaars, the current assessment is as follows, in RMB per metric ton. HDPE 9,112. LDPE 8,045. LDPE 8,635. Before we move on to the Indian bazaar, I would like to ask for your support by subscribing to Polymer Bazaar and enabling notifications for future informative videos on polymer prices. For instant access to the latest open bazaar prices and news on WhatsApp, simply send a message with the keyword HDPE to +91 937 462 4365. We highly recommend using our AI-powered chatbot service, which retrieves all price and news updates within 5 seconds. Now, let's focus on the Indian bazaar. A China-based PE producer has announced their latest offer for the Indian bazaar, priced at $1,170 CIF Mundra, Chennai, and Kolkata for July 2023 shipments. Speaking of the Mumbai Open Bazaar, here are the basic prices for various grades of PE in rupees per kg. HDPE variants. Raffia, 100.50. Injection molding, 93.75. Blow molding, 100.50. HM film, 106. HM pipe PE 100, 113. LLDPE grades. Film, 93.50. Rotomolding, 105.25. High flow molding, 106. LDPE. General purpose, 95.75. Lamination, 131. In the buying pulse, we have already informed our readers about the increased buying activity among converters. Processors have been procuring raw materials in anticipation of potential price rebounds. However, the local producers have not revised their ex-works prices as of July 1, 2023. The demand scenario is not encouraging for traders. Unsatisfactory finished product sales have made processors cautious about spending money on raw materials. As a result, traders are making need-based purchases. However, there has been a moderate improvement in the purchase of HM film and HM pipe. The buying activity has led to reduced stocks with traders due to limited supply from local producers. Traders have taken advantage of the situation by selling their stocks at premiums of 1 to 2 rupees per kilogram. In the case of 1070 LDPE EC, which is in short supply, premiums in the open bazaar have reached above 6 to 8 rupees per kilogram. In terms of purchase opinion, It is surprising that domestic producers have refrained from raising their ex-works prices for grades that are in short supply, such as the LD extrusion coating variant. There is a possibility that the producers have postponed the price hike to the next revision for these grades. However, we do not see any likelihood of producers considering price hikes for other grades, as the demand for finished products does not support such a move. From our perspective, we recommend purchasing the grades that are currently in short supply at the company rate. As for the other variants, it is advisable to make need-based purchases. We invite you to join us tomorrow, Wednesday, as Polymer Bazaar presents the weekly report, offering a detailed analysis of future trends in the PVC field. By participating in our session, you will remain well informed about the latest advancements in the polymer industry. We appreciate your ongoing support and wish you a fantastic day ahead.